Hello Mecca Beauty Junkies, I am Erin Scott and I have actually got some really exciting holiday events coming up this weekend. So this week I'm going to be kind of preparing for those events and I thought I would bring you guys along and show you some of my favorite products to help me get prepared for a big event. It is currently Tuesday morning. I've just been lying in bed kind of doing emails on my phone, but now it's time to get my butt out of bed and go and have a shower. So I thought I would start the vlog here because I'm actually going to use this shower as a bit of prep for my skin. So I'm planning on fake tanning on Thursday, ready for the event on Saturday. So I always like to prep my skin for the tan about 2 days prior. Yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along starting today and show you exactly how I prep. So let's go. I think I'm gonna use this scrub pack here. This is from Frank Body. This is so cute. It's like a big coffee cup, but it's got the face scrub and the body scrub inside. So that's the face scrub there, and then the body scrub, which is already open and half used because I love it so much. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. My skin is feeling so smooth from the Frank Body Scrub. So now I'm going to do the creamy face scrub from Frank Body. So I'm just going to wet my face with some warm water. Now I'm just going to gently massage that into my skin. Kind of just in like circular motions. And never forget your décolletage as well. I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes and then I'll be back to wash it off. Alright, I'm back 3 minutes later and I'm going to wipe this all off of my skin using a wet face washer. This product honestly leaves your skin feeling so smooth, which at the moment the texture of my skin is horrible just from all my breakouts. So this is a really great way to start skin preparation. Alright, my skin literally feels like a baby's bottom. It is amazing, so smooth. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my body and I'm going to moisturize in preparation for my tan. So over the next few days I'm going to keep using this product to keep my skin hydrated, and this is the Sol de Janeiro, I think that's how you say it. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This stuff is incredible and it smells like a tropical holiday. Like I said, this is going to help keep my body moisturized over the next few days. So I'll also apply this tomorrow morning once I jump out of the shower, just to make sure that my skin is nice and hydrated. Alright, so that is all done now, so I'm gonna go and get dressed. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow for a little bit more party preparation. Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday and I have just had a delivery arrive, which I'm hoping is the dress that I ordered for the party on the weekend. I'm gonna open it. It is! Oh my gosh! This is the little number that I have organized. This little dress here, it is so pretty. Because the dress is like a brighter red color, I'm gonna try and go with more nude makeup. I don't wanna go too over the top or bright with my makeup. So I've got the new gingerbread palette from Too Faced, which I really wanna use just because it's like new and again, very festive, very holiday. These colors are beautiful. Oh my goodness. I actually really like the look of that color there, so let's swatch it. This is Bake It Till You Make It. Okay, that is actually stunning. So maybe I'll swatch this one here. This is Spiked Eggnog. It's more of like a champagne-y color, so I might lean more towards something like that. Yes, that's more of what I was after. I'm gonna swatch this color down here as well. This is Gingerbread Latte. This looks like it might be a good color for the transition. Yes, definitely. I actually really like how these three colors look together. I also have some of the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. This one is the all-time favorite. This is Kitten. Maybe I'll have to go with this on like the eyelid or something. Look how beautiful that is. Or maybe that can be like an inner corner highlight. So I've just swatched this NARS Lip Luster. This is the Power Matte Lip Luster, but I've got another one here that's in the shade Hardcore. That is so stunning. I think I'm gonna have to go with that one on my lips. It's got like the most gorgeous glitter shimmer to it. That's gonna be perfect for a party. So I'm gonna go with these eyeshadows on my eyes and then finish it off with this lipstick. And I've also got this Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. This is, I think this is volume 4. So this has got bronzer, highlight, and blush in it, like all in one. So this will be perfect as well. Yay! Morning guys. So it is now Thursday and it's about 11 a.m. but I did get up quite early this morning and I put a fresh fake tan on, so it's kind of still developing. So this is the Luna Bronze Self Tanning Mousse. I absolutely adore it. I actually love the whole Luna Bronze range. I applied it just with a normal mitt and I left it on for about 2 hours to kind of develop, and now that I've washed it off, it is going to continue developing over the next few hours. So we'll see how it goes and I might do an extra coat tomorrow. I am going to tackle my skin now and do a face mask. As you guys would have seen in the beginning of this video on, I think it was Tuesday, my skin was pretty bad. It's fine, we all have bad skin days, but I'm going to just treat it with a little bit of love today and do a face mask. This is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Wait until you see what happens when this goes on my face. It is so cool. This set here is the little holiday edition set that is stocked in Mecca. It's got 3 of the sheet masks in there, so it's really great for the holiday season when we've got lots of events on and stuff like that. So it says here on the packet that this helps to glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, and face makeup removal. I'm gonna look so crazy. You guys see it bubbling up? So cool. Is that not cool? It's like a science experiment on my face right now. All right, so I think it's been about 3 minutes now. I look insane. This is so funny. So I'm gonna take this off. And I have bubbles left over all over my skin. So what I'm gonna do is just rub all of that in, really massage it into the skin, make sure that those ingredients really are doing their thing. So now what I'm gonna do is run to the bathroom and wash it off just with some water, and then I'll come back and finish off my skincare routine with you guys. Okay, so I've just washed all of that off. My face is nice and fresh and clean. So I'm gonna go in with some Drunk Elephant skincare products now to finish off my skincare routine for the day. These products are from this cute little Drunk Elephant holiday collection. So freaking cute. So I'm just gonna take the little eye serum. I'm not planning on wearing any makeup today, so I'm gonna apply my skincare as if it was like a treatment day, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna take the day serum. This really helps to firm and brighten. So I've just got a little bit on my fingers and I'm just going to pat that into my skin really gently. And then that is gonna be it for today. Hopefully when you see me tomorrow, my skin is looking nice and refreshed and glowy. Okay guys, so it is Friday, which means that there is only one more day until the event tomorrow. So I have just done another coat of fake tan. I'm currently sitting here stewing away in that. I'm just gonna sit here, eat my lunch, drink my water, stew away in some tan, and fuel my body for the big weekend that I've got coming up. I don't really have much else to do in terms of preparation other than just let my tan soak in. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the big event, and I'm so excited to get ready with you guys and show you how everything comes together. Hey guys, so it is party day, Saturday. I am in the middle of getting ready at the moment. I ended up using all of those eyeshadows that I showed you guys from the Gingerbread Spice palette. So good, so freaking good. I'm just gonna very quickly do some mascara and lashes, and then I'm gonna show you how I finish off the look with my lips and a little bit of highlighter. A little bit. Who am I kidding? It's gonna be a lot. Okay, lashes are on. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush and highlight with this bad boy here. This is the Volume 4 Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I'm gonna use this blush here. This is the blush called Luminous Glow, which speaks to me on another level. Anything that says luminous and glow, I'm usually a huge fan of. And then I'm gonna use this one here, which is a highlighting shade. This one is called Euphoric Strobe Light. I usually go pretty heavy with the highlighter just because I really like to look as glowy as possible, and I feel like when it's holidays and it's like a big event, you can kind of get away with it. Now I'm going to finish it off with the lip colour that we chose the other day. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Luster in the shade Hardcore. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of obsessed with that. That is so pretty. I just finished off my hair. I just went with a low pony and I kind of curled it, and then I've got some little pieces just hanging out the front to kind of frame my face. And then I also put some jewelry in, just some simple little gold hoops. And now to finish off the entire look, I'm going to take the Soleil de Janeiro Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil. I'm going to put this on my arms, my legs, and my décolletage, and this is going to make me look so bronze and glowy. This stuff is amazing and it smells so good as well, so it kind of doubles as a perfume. I need to put some products in there to take with me so that I can do touch-ups later on and make sure that I stay nice and fresh at the party. So I'm going to obviously take the NARS lip color that I'm wearing, and then I'm also going to pack this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush fragrance. This is the same scent as what is on my body currently from the Body Glow oil, and it's also the same scent as the moisturizer that I've been using all week as well. So it is perfect. So I'm going to take that in my bag as well. I think I'm finally ready to go. I am actually on time for once, which never happens, but I'm putting it down to all of my preparation from this week. If you guys have any tips or tricks yourself for how to get ready and prepare for a big weekend of events and parties, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed filming it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!